It's FAW Welsh Cup round 4 this weekend, and 16 clubs will be hoping to be one of the 8 in Sunday's quarter-final draw, which takes place live on S4C on Scorio from Caersus on Sunday afternoon. FAW TV has come to the small village of Llanrhaeadr on Mochnant in North Powys, where this could be the venue for one of the afternoon's giant-killing shocks. It's Rhyl Football Club from the Corbett Sports Welsh Premier League who will be here, and they're expected to bring a few hundred to this small venue. We're going to go and meet some of the players and management team from Llanrhaeadr and Mochnant that will be hoping to cause a shock this weekend. Is there a lot of talk in the village about Saturday?
Oh, a huge amount of talk, just the buzz of having fourth round. Rhyl coming along as well with their crowd and the quality of players and the squad that they bring along with them. The whole club's looking forward to it. And
you scored one of the goals in the last round against Llanrhaeadr to get you here. What was that feeling like when you scored?
Anhygoel i just bod rhan o'r gêm yna i mynd lawr I Llanrhaeadr gêm o'n I ddim yn disgwyl curo no ddim pwysau ni o gwbl I mynd lawr yna sgorio'r gol a'r gol there hefyd dwi'n credu fydd hyn ond ne ardderchog a edrych ymlaen I dydd Sadwrn.
And what would it mean for you to score the winning goal on Saturday?
Falle just meddwl amdano'n son wych I fi teimlad ond di'n bwys I fi yn personol dwi'n sgorio os dwi ddim ond just gael y fuddugoliaeth sy'n bwysig.
You've got a great record in the cup personally, having reached the final with Kevin Druids.
Yeah, reached the final in 2012. If I remember rightly, John Hartson gave me a bit of abuse, I think, about my performance. Well, that's all we wanted at the beginning of the season, really, after getting relegated last season. Consolidate ourselves in the league and then have a good cup run. So, yeah, that's exactly what we wanted.
I know there'll be a lot of people there on the day, and it's going to be a great atmosphere. And the locals have the time of their life. We'll go for it, and I know the lads, who are absolutely fantastic bunch of lads. Great to be in their company, great social life after matches. On paper, it's definitely Ryl's game.
But
you never know, do you? Some miracle might happen, 1-0.
And what price is there for you to head in the last minute winner?
Oh, I've scored one this year, so I'm fairly long odds, I'd imagine.